There's so much to love about Cordage.
I don't know if I can pick just one feature as my favorite. If I had to pick, it would either have to be the beautiful views out of the large arched windows or that old world appeal of the exposed brick.
I know it seems a little crazy, but I think most people love that feeling of a renovated factory that's been changed into a center of commerce for Plymouth. So many things. I love how our location is. The amenities are fantastic. Everyone that works around here is just awesome, friendly. We all kind of get along. Just so much love.
So Bob and I moved into the Building 55 back in 2017. We have our production of our wine center here for the 1620 Winery. And one of the things that I love most about it is, number one, we have a loading dock. So that was a really big deal to have a production for our wine here. And secondly, the wedding venue has basically oceanfront for our brides to be able to have some ocean photography as well as unlimited parking, so that's been a really big deal for us. Being at the Cordage Commerce Center has positively impacted our ability to sell weddings because, again, where else can you get married in an 1800s rope factories? All of my brides that come and take a tour, the reason they come here is for the soaring brick walls and ceilings and the history that the Cordage Commerce Center offers. My favorite feature about my space here at the 1620 Winery is our one-of-a-kind ballroom chandelier. It's made out of 50-year-old Cab Sauv wine vines that were cut from our vineyard in Napa, California. They were trucked here with my grapes, and my best friend Cheryl put the chandelier together all by herself. It is our pride and joy. The overall community at Cordage Commerce is really special because we are a destination for craft beverages. We now have a brewery, a winery, and a distillery all in one park. So the 1620 Winery is where rustic marries elegance.
I had a connection with someone that was involved with Cordage Park. I went to high school with him, and he called me kind of out of the blue and said, we have this awesome restaurant space that we would really like a restaurant to go into. Coming in, it was just immediately fell in love with the space, loved how everything is so close nearby, the openness, the location, the setup where we put the bar, the fire for the wood pizza oven is just an awesome setup. I love how it's all old school, has a ton of history, rope factory, the old original, the wood that's still here, the bricks that are here, the high open exposed HVAC for a restaurant is awesome. I love the dual space here. I could do like quiet events on this side and then that side can be loud for entertainment and bar. The amenities are fantastic. Everyone that works around here is just awesome, friendly. We all kind of get along and help each other out whenever there's something that needs to be done. Chef Doug makes awesome specials on the weekends. A lot of seafood. He loves to work with seafood. The mussels, the oysters are picked literally like 500 yards away from us, so we can tell people that that's the freshest oyster they're gonna grab at a restaurant. Everything's made from scratch kitchen, everything's homemade, nothing's coming in frozen and thrown on a plate. Everything that's on the menu that you see, he's making from scratch.
I've been here personally for 3 years, but it has been more than 20 years since the owners purchased the property and turned the refurbished rope factory into mixed-use office space. I am Kristen Ligori, the property manager for Cordage Commerce Center. We now have large medical facilities, branches of local colleges, restaurants, tech companies, and many others that make up the Cordage community. I think the greatest amenity provided is the on-site management and maintenance team that is dedicated to Cordage Commerce Center. We really work closely with tenants to make sure that people are comfortable within our space. The goal is to have companies come to Cordage Commerce Center, stay, and grow with us at this unique waterfront property. The property is strategically located in Plymouth, making it easily accessible from Boston and Providence, as well as the Cape and Islands. In addition to that, with many tenant amenities and an old world appeal, employees and patrons alike enjoy visiting the businesses located here. The Cordage Management Office is located in Suite 235 at the main tower entrance of Building 10. And I don't know if I can pick just one feature as my favorite. If I had to pick, it would either have to be the beautiful views out of the large arched windows or that old world appeal of the exposed brick, towering ceilings, and wood floor.
We've loved our time at Cordage. We've been here since 2019. They've always been attentive to our needs. Ample parking, beautiful water views where we are, historic brick building. Employees love it. So far it's been absolutely incredible. So the space has been amazing for our business productivity, really for twofold. It's helped us to attract clients as well as employees. It's hard for people not to be impressed when they walk in the door. They see these lofty, beautiful 22-foot ceilings, the historic beams. This beam actually next to me is twisted from carrying the weight of the roof for over 100 years. So when you look at the history of Cordage and the absolute wow factor that you get when people come in, it's gonna help you land clients as well as employees. Yeah, I mean, there's so much to love about Cordage. You can go over to the Black Raz, get incredible food, great service, play a little Keno if you wanted to. You've got 3V, where you can go over. It's a little bit more upscale, beautiful copper topped bar, ample parking, easy to get to right off the highway, just so much love.